Good morning, children. This week I am taking you for an historical tour. This tour reflects the culture and tradition of our country too. We shall now get to know about a few monuments in our country. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz, who died in 1631. Taj Mahal is widely considered one of the most beautiful buildings ever created. It's also an eternal testament to the artistic and scientific accomplishments of a wealthy empire. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is towering 73-meter high tower built by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1193. The tower was built to celebrate Muslim dominance in Delhi after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu ruler. This tower is the highest tower in India, complete with 5 stories and projecting balconies. Charminar. Charminar is the beating heart of Hyderabadis. It was built in the year 1591 AD. The landmark of the city was built by the fifth ruler of Qutub Shahi dynasty. Charminar, a monument and mosque, is an imposing model that celebrates the influence of the Muslim Turkomans in India. Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is an art monument built during the 20th century in Bombay. The monument was erected to commemorate the landing of King George V and Queen Mary at Apollo Bandar on their visit to India in 1911. India Gate. India Gate, originally called All India War Memorial, monumental sandstone arch in New Delhi, dedicated to the troops of British India who died in wars fought between 1914 and 1919. Gol Gumbaz. Gol Gumbaz is the most famous monument in Vijaypura. It is the tomb of Muhammad Adil Shah. It is the second largest dome ever built. A particular attraction in this monument is the central chamber where every sound is echoed 7 times. Bibi Ka Maqbara. It was erected by Azam Shah, the son of Aurangzeb. It was built in 1668, situated in Aurangabad. Being the spitting image of the Taj Mahal, the mausoleum is also called the Taj of Deccan. Iron Pillar. Iron Pillar of Delhi is a historical monument that allures everyone with its mysterious iron build that has not rusted since its construction that was more than 1600 years back. It is situated inside the Qutub complex where the famous Qutub Minar is also located. Iron Pillar stands majestically with a height of 24 feet. It is also called Ashoka Pillar. Amar Jawan. Amar Jawan Jyoti is a memorial symbolized by an inverted bayonet and a soldier's helmet over it with an eternal flame burning beside it. It was built in 1972 underneath the India Gate Arch to commemorate soldiers martyred in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Safdarjung Tomb. The last monumental tomb garden of the Mughals was planned and built like an enclosed garden tomb in line with the style of Humayun tomb. The monument has an ambience of spaciousness and an imposing presence with its domed and arched red, brown, and white colored structures. Thank you, children.